In this part, I will show how to use the DDS backup and restorations. First, let me show you how to set the auto backup policy. On this instance details page, go to the backup and restorations, then click to the set backup policy button. Here we can configure the backup policy. We can enable incremental backup here. Incremental backup is used to backup the data newly added or modified since the last full or incremental backup. DDS automatically backups the updated data every 5 minutes since the last automated or incremental backup was made. And we can also set the retention period here. And this means how long the backup file will be kept after creation. We can increase or reduce the period. And notice that to ensure the data integrity even after the retention period expires, the most recent backup file will be retained. We can configure the time window here. It's recommended to set the time window during the service looping. And we can set the backup cycle by selecting the dates in the week that you want to when the auto backup happens. So after confirming the configuration, click OK. We see that the new auto backup policy will be set. So we will proceed with manual backup. For creating a manual backup, we just need to click the create backup button. So we can name our backup file uh, and add descriptions. And it will back up the database status at the current moment by clicking OK, and now the manual backup is being created. So in this page we will see the list of all of the manual and automated backup files we have for this instance. So we can select the backup file that we want to restore. Let's check this manual backup file and then click restore. And we can select either restore to the new instance or restore to the original instance. For example, if we want to restore to the original instance, then we just need to check the box and click the next. But if we want to restore to a new instance, after we click next, it will lead you to the purchase page. We need to go through the similar process as the purchase process by selecting all these settings and configurations for the new database. And after having selected all of these settings, click buy and check in the box and click submit. Let's enter a password here. And by submitting these configurations, the backup file will be restored to the new instance.